fragile skin. I knew the rules, I played them right, turned every flaw into sharpened light. They called it strength, they called it control, but silence started carving my soul. I was too perfect to ever fall, too precise to feel at all. I was too perfect, clean and tight, but perfection casts no shadow, no light. I watched the world in flawless lines, pattern systems, grand designs, history spoken stone and time. Nature moved in rhythm and rhyme. I trusted order, I trusted form, believed harmony keeps you warm. But beauty doesn't ask to be owned, it breaks you open, leaves you exposed. I was too perfect to ever bend, too complete to need a friend. I was too perfect, sealed and closed, but nothing grows when nothing's broken open. Then something shifted, quiet and slow, not a collapse, a letting go. I felt the weight, I felt the grace. Imperfection gave me space. Not weaker now, just more alive. I don't survive, I choose to strive. I'm not too perfect, I finally see. Strength breeds best in honesty. I'm not too perfect, I stand revealed. What bends can heal, what feels is real. I still believe in form and flow, in nature's laws, in what we grow. But now I know, beyond control, the deepest power is having a soul.
Leave the dust and let the hammer sing. Their echoes rise on newborn wings. Through hands of flame, through hearts of clay, we carve the dream that will not fade.